Hello, I'm John with Roadkill Incorporated, and I wanted to start doing some videos related to glitch art. And as part of that, I want to showcase some of the laptops I use that have defective graphics processors. And I found this one the other day, so I figured this would be a good place to start. This is a 2009 17-inch MacBook Pro. Pretty nice machine, and it has a crimped video cable. Now, I find crimped video cables quite a bit, and I've even sort of messed with, crimping them myself. But the thing is, usually you get these color effects in either red or green or blue, where it sort of distorts one of those colors. But this one is unique in that it just seems to distort all colors at the same time. I don't know the technology behind it or why it's doing it or actually what's happening, but it's a pretty spectacular effect. As you can see, I've got Photo Booth open, which is why you're seeing me on the screen. But you can do a lot of things with this. You can, like if I put some red tape over the camera, you get some pretty goofy stuff going on. You can shine a light in it. Actually, I've got another lamp here. And what I usually do is take photographs. I pull up, photographs and that I've taken on the screen, and then I let the defect do what it wants, and then I'll take pictures of that, and then that tends to be sort of my end product. But this machine is unique in that it could be at a show just sitting there, and people could walk in front of it, or wave things in front of it, or shine lights at it, and produce some interesting results. So yeah, so there's that kind of stuff. And then I'll get out a photo booth here. So here's some pictures. Now these are just more or less pictures of flowers, and you can see, if you imagine what a flower normally looks like, and then look at this, so this is what this machine is doing. It's interesting, the kind of pulsing colors there. And I love preview on the Mac. You can just kind of zoom in and out. Like I said, I've just never seen a machine that does this with every color. And flowers are a good example. First, because you know what a flower looks like normally, and then also because flowers just have incredible texture, and texture is what these defects kind of wrap themselves around, so to speak. Love this one. And sometimes you can just zoom in infinitely, and it'll turn into these strange, like, fractal things. It's not quite doing it there, but so definitely a fun machine to play with. Ooh, I like that one. So, and my technique will generally be to, take a nature picture of some sort, put it on a machine, distort it with a video defect, take a picture of that, and then, move that to different machines. So a lot of what I do is the product of, it usually starts with an original photograph, but then I will I'll layer the effects of multiple different machines depending on sort of what direction I want to take. the pictures. And I do the pictures in batches, batches of 200 pictures. I'll distort them all, and then I'll move them to a different machine, distort them on that machine, that sort of thing. So anyway, that's about it for this one. Thanks for watching, and hopefully soon I will get more of my laptops into YouTube videos. So talk to you later. Thanks.